Yo. All right, so today I'm going to be doing something not the same as the first day. This is going to be like the first video in my um game. So me and my friend Conrad are making a game. He goes to Penn State. We're trying to co-develop it in a way. Um, but yeah. So this video won't have my camera. I don't know why, but it's just recording at like 3 frames per second. It looks absolutely terrible. But I'm gonna be in a Discord call with the guy that I'm talking to, or that I'm helping this with, and we'll see how much progress we make. What's good, gang? Conrad,
What's up?
what's up?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
What is the goal for today?
I don't know. I was just saying I want to do something. So I need to open it though. What should the goal be for today, Mr. Cliff?
Hmm. Let's just try and get the movement good.
Yeah,
Like as
honestly, that's
good as we
probably the
want
best
to.
thing. And also, like,
Yeah.
oh, wait a minute, this guy.
Yeah, we can definitely try it in a couple different ways.
Mm-hmm.
When are you coming back for Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Uh, like, I don't know, actually. I have no clue at all.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
We're going back on Friday, so
Nice. I need to get into GitHub desktop. Oh, jeez. See, this is the stuff
okay.
that I don't really get.
I've noticed a bug.
Okay.
Um, if you let go of W before you let go of shift while you're running, you stay at 12 speed. So you stay running.
Say that again. So if I do what?
So if I let go, so if I I'm walking, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
And
am I?
I hold shift, start, or, yeah, let me just stream it. Be easier that way.
If I hold shift and then let go of what?
Let go of W. My speed is set at 12 still.
For me, when I'm holding W and then I hold shift and then I let go of either of them, I stop.
Yeah, but here, just look at my stream.
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm running, right?
Yeah.
So I'm regular walking.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm running. If I let go of W, I stop moving obviously, but my run speed is still set to 12.
Oh, I see what you mean. So when you hold
And so
W
then
again.
if I let go of shift, I can run without.
Hmm.
You
Okay.
see what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm not
So
holding
that
shift, but
should
I'm still
be
running at 12 speed.
that should be hopefully just an if statement in the player
Yeah,
control.
that
So
should be pretty.
where is that file? How do I get there?
Oh, we could also try and make a
Donk,
stamina
donk.
system.
Oh yeah, that could be something. I think that's normally always a.
What?
What I said that's
I mean,
normally.
today, like we could try and
Oh yeah, yeah.
implement stamina.
Import time. How do I get
Also,
to?
you cannot jump when walking down ledges.
Because it doesn't register as the floor. That's why.
I can jump while walking up though, but walking down, yeah, I think it's because it's too high or
What the
something.
fuck? Wait, what? You can jump
So
going
I
up but
can,
not down.
yeah, you jump standing.
Oh, it
But
might be because you're. It might be because you're constantly. If I spam it, yeah. You can spam it. So there's like most of the time you're going downhill, you're not actually even on the surface since you're probably 1 pixel above it since you're going left,
Uh,
but it's going down. So if you spam it going down, you can. So I guess maybe we should put a little bit of a timer on the jump, whether it should be on the surface or not.
okay, that makes sense.
Like, yeah.
Oh, but then we could get a double jump pretty easily though.
Yeah. Well, oh.
Yeah,
Oh. Well, make it for the first jump. Or that doesn't work either. Well,
we'll figure something out.
what would be the solution there? If you're going down the steps, the first
Yeah.
jump checks if you're on the ground. And if you are on the ground, it lets you jump. So when you're in the air, it doesn't let you jump because you're not touching the ground. So
We could create a
if you were to spam it going down, you would still be able to get the first jump. Oh, like if you spammed it super fast, you would be able to get maybe I don't know. That's something that we can make and then test.
right. Yeah, because if I'm just trying to jump while walking down, I
Yeah,
can't.
like here. Where do I find
So,
scripts?
but I
Player.
was thinking, we could create a thing that like just a red or green square in the top left corner that just shows if we're grounded or not, so we could see what's going on.
Yeah,
I'm imagining it's like grounding on grounding, grounding on grounding, because it's like a little wiggle when you walk downwards too. If you look at my stream, you like jiggle a little bit.
1 second, it's loading. There we go.
Or like it like wiggles the screen a little
Oh
bit. I don't know if
yeah,
you see that.
that is really
So I think
weird.
that's probably what's going on. This one doesn't have it, but I still can't jump. So
So it's only on that one? Do you?
I,
You
I,
think
I
you
can't
know
jump
what's
walking
happening?
down
You know what's
this way.
happening on the steeper one? I think you're falling, and then the camera is catching up. So like jump really quick.
Oh,
Like on this one, it's smooth down, but if you go
right.
down on the
This
other
is too
one,
steep.
I
So
think it's too
it's
steep.
like
So
it's
you're
falling.
skipping. Yeah, you're going dunk, 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 dunk.
That makes sense. Yeah.
So
Okay,
then
interesting.
I guess the
I still
camera
can't jump
should
on either as well. So
try spam. Oh well, yeah. I mean,
like it's like
yeah,
yeah, it's once in a
it's
while.
not
Yeah.
intentionally. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that.
Yeah. So
Um, yeah, makes sense. Let me open
Mhm.
Visual Studio. What is happening here?
Do you also want the camera to be centered behind the player,
It should be.
like a Fortnite?
When I think about our camera, I think Fortnite. Like I think that
That makes sense.
it should be behind, but like you should be able to move like obviously around with the
Right.
camera.
I think
Like in
Elden Ring.
like yeah, like that type of thing kind of too. The thing with Elden Ring though is that your character sometimes like because well we wouldn't have a role obviously, but like in the Elden Ring role, it kind of
Yeah.
really it would be something really hard to make with the camera because the camera like catches up to them late or after the roll. But I don't know. There's a lot
That
of things
makes
in
sense.
Elden
Yeah.
Ring that are made really well, but um, yeah, that works. Basically, just like
Okay.
what I mean
I
is
was
like
thinking,
it should be behind the player at all times, but
right.
if you're going left or right, it shouldn't turn the player. It should just
It
move
should just be
to
like
the
this.
left. Yeah, like you should be doing like the cha-cha slide instead of like turning
Got it. Okay.
karaoke.
But then what if okay, interesting. I was thinking when the player's standing still, then you can have a free look camera.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think you could do that even when they're running.
Oh, okay.
You can just make it so that that whatever keys are being when you enter free look, you should be able to
Oh, okay. That's like
when
a
you enter
button,
free look,
separate button for free
it
look.
saves before you when you enter free look, it saves that location of the camera, and then while you're in free look, all of your directional keys relate to where the camera was saved
Right.
before.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, kind of like Rust.
I
You can
was
do that in
thinking.
Rust, where you can
Right, right,
hold Alt and hold W and look to your left and behind you and shit like that. But you
right.
keep going forward.
Interesting. Okay. What I was thinking is like it automatically puts you in free look camera when you're
When
standing
you're
still.
standing still,
Yeah.
that could I mean that would work. I mean yeah.
We could
I'm
just
down
test
for
them
that.
all out, right?
Yeah, I'm
Just
down for
test
that.
it.
I like in the back of my mind, I just don't know if that would feel like normal, but it might. It
Right.
like if I here, let me look. If I just move around, like that's currently what it is.
Right. It's just completely free.
Yeah, I mean current. Yeah,
And the player follows the direction of the camera. So
yeah.
which also leaves a bug when you go back and forth. There's like a little wiggle with the camera.
Like
Do you
if
see
I
that?
hold AD.
Yeah. It's like when the player turns, the camera like wiggles a little bit. It's not as smooth.
Yeah, that's because they start going towards the camera or like they. I don't know. That's weird.
Yeah. I don't know what that's from either. So okay. We can clean up this code a little bit.
I love this little guy, bro.
Who the fuck knows?
I don't know how to.
I don't know what this is either.
I
I
would.
think this was from the tutorial I followed. So
What?
the -2 velocity.
I mean, probably. I had no idea what it was just because it said F, and I was like, I'm not used to C.
Oh
So
yeah.
I was like, what does F mean, bro? But no, I understand now. Okay. Okay. This is what I don't get about get is that like right now. This means that I'm not screen sharing, but let me just screen share
No.
real quick. What I currently have on my Git desktop, tell me if.
Yeah.
Okay, is this gonna fucking work? Why don't I just have the OG? I liked it when it was OG, bro. I just want to be able to click.
What, the screen share?
Yes, I want OG screen share. Share a window, window or app. I know that when I click this button, it's only gonna let you see Discord. I'm so confident. Oh, share all application windows. Let's go. Is this gonna make you only see Discord? Can you see more than Discord?
Nope.
You're joking. Seriously? Like, what a terrible decision. I hate this. Why would you ever make... No one asked to change it, bro. What does this mean? Change. Choose what you want to share using system interface. Also use... Okay. Let's just say... Share the entire screen? Alright, so does this work now?
Let me check.
Yes.
Yes, that's working.
Okay, sick. Now I forget what I was going to do. What did I say that I was going to share?
GitHub desktop.
Get. Yeah. So if I fetch, right, it means that just that these 4 files are different than yours, or are different than main.
Right.
Okay. So then when I upload, or when I push, like realistically, we should only add the things that we have changed. So like if we do update like the player movement.cs, I think a good practice would probably for us to only push that file, because honestly, I don't think that the log files are that important. I don't think like if I look up like what do log files do for Unity? Do I need them?
So like unselect them.
Yeah. Yeah, see,
Yeah, so it's fucking
when
useless.
you need to obtain information from the logs of the standalone player you've built, the target device or the editor, usually you need to see these files when you have experienced a problem to find out exactly where the problem occurred. Yeah, like, I don't think they're incredibly necessary. Log files are essential for debugging web applications. Yeah, okay, that's not.
It's just for debugging in Unity.
Feature of products within UGS.
Here's the other thing, though.
Yeah, like, I don't feel
if we both work on the player movement script, and then we both push it, we'll have two different
Yeah, see,
versions. So I
that's
think
also an issue. Yeah, so here, I'll
I
try
think
something. I'll
you
do
should.
something else.
Yeah. No, you do that. I'll do something else.
Okay.
I'll work on the player model in
Okay.
Blender.
Yeah, that's sick. So like for player model, all we need is a 3D like just a player, and then I
Mhm.
guess how many frames should a sprite be? Like how should an animation, a walking animation be? How many?
Probably just 8 or something stupid.
Yeah,
Like it doesn't have to be crazy high right now. And it'll just be a placeholder as well. It'll be like a blue mass with legs.
that works
But
for me. Most
so that we can
games
see.
use either a 4 or 8 frame walk cycle. If you can do CGI animation, just animate a walk cycle, then reduce the frames to either 4 or 8 and see what it looks like. You could also take a look at sprites ripped from existing games. I bought a bit of Bitcoin the other day. And
A whole Bitcoin?
no, fuck no, dude. I don't have $89,000. But
A little bit of one?
a little bit of one, yeah. I used it as a project to kind of understand how it works. So I bought it,
Right.
I transferred it to an online Coinbase wallet, and then I transferred it from that to my PC. So now I have I have point 0.5 of 1/1000th of a Bitcoin, I believe. So I think I have one
That's actually insane.
5,000th, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have 1/5000th of a Bitcoin.
No. Yeah.
Let's take it. 89,000 divided by 5,000 is. Wait, no. All right, let's check. Electrum. Let's see what it tells me I have. It's gonna be like 0 Bitcoin. You've been robbed. I've secretly had. Okay.
They mined it off of your computer.
Why do I have all this stuff open, bro? Get this off my screen. Yeah, so I'll open the movement script. So what were the problems that we had? We had,
Okay.
let's make a, okay, how do I do the little square in the UI? That would be nice, because then it could tell me if I'm on the ground or not, and that's
yeah.
a very simple thing to do.
Let's check.
I'll figure that out first.
Look up
I'm not
visual
doing this.
representation
Of a variable.
of a Boolean.
Boolean variable.
in
that's
Unity.
huge.
Yeah.
In Unity. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Even better.
I can try doing the same thing. Here, let me see a ChatGPT answer. This might be something.
Oh, true.
I have a
Marker iemand
Boolean value called.
toe voor de lista.
I have your fucking screen.
You could do like a hit marker.
I have a Boolean value called is on ground. I want the UI to show when it is true or false with a little rectangle. How would
Okay,
I
let
do
me work
this?
on this character.
You can use a UI.image component and change its color based on the value. UI canvas and image. Right click in the hierarchy window and select UI canvas. Inside canvas, adjust the image rect transform. Write a script to update the UI. Create a new script, ground status UI, and attach it to game object in the scene, like an empty game object or the canvas. Link is on ground. Expose it as a public static if it is global variable. Okay. I forgot I have to know how to like actually code. This kind of sucks. Where was it? Is it called ground? Oh, is grounded. Private. I need it as a public bool. Wait. Public static bool.
3D program.
Static I'm making. Wait, it's not. It shouldn't be static. Is it? What does static mean? Doesn't static mean it's not changed? It doesn't get changed? What does static mean in C#? Relating to the type itself means relating to the type itself rather than an instance of the type. You access a static member using the type name instead of a reference. What the fuck? Okay, hang on. Bang. Associated with the type instead of any one instance of the type. So there's one set of static variables for a type within. I don't even know enough to understand the explanation. Always is. Okay, I'm asking. I'm about to. What is? I still feel like I just don't know enough about. Okay. The static keyword indicates that a member belongs to the type itself rather than an instance of the type. This means that you can access a static member without creating an object of the class. A static member is shared across all instances of the class and is accessed via the class name. What is member? Of what? I don't need to create an object to access static members. Why would I need to create an object to access a variable? Like, what is it talking about?
Is that what GPT's telling you?
Yeah, I mean, it's what everything is telling me. Like, fucking Stack Exchange, Stack Overflow, everything. I don't understand.
Oh, wow.
Like, why? Brand
I'll be right back.
add are static. They're accessed directly using the class name. Okay, let me read this code. Let's not use this small ass thing. Let me use this. Calculator. Public static string brand. Public static int add. It's a fucking function. Okay. Why? What are the differences between these? Like, it's just multiply and add. That's the only change. Static method, static field, non-static method. But what are the changes? Accessing the static. Why does this look like Java? Accessing the static field without creating an instance. Console.writeLine. Calculator brand. Calculator brand. Accessing the static method without creating an instance. Int sum equals calculator.add boom. Console.writeLine. Okay. Non-static members require an instance. Calculator calc equals new calculator. Huh. Okay. So it's like a Java C# thing. Because I've seen this before. Just don't understand why I would have to. Like in every other language, I feel like I could just reference this without doing any of this BS. Like, what is the point of that? I don't understand. Why would I want to put that down? Okay. Static is helpful when you need shared functionality or data that doesn't change across instances. Sure. Whatever. I'll just do it without completely understanding it because maybe I'll understand it later. Conrad. Conrad. No Conrad. What was my job again? What was I going to do? I was going to change this. So, problem. Problem number one is that when we are in this, oh shit, I've definitely fucked something up, haven't I?
Okay, I'm back.
What's good? So, do you understand what static means? Because I don't, and I've just kind of accepted it at this point, which is
I don't
fine.
either.
Okay, that's why can't I use WAS or D? Oh, never mind. So it's a yes while I'm going up the stairs, but if I'm going down, I'm not actively touching it if I'm going down. Yeah. So how do I fix this? I don't understand. We go dunk 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 dunk. Here, let's look it up. How to make smooth.
I hate Blender. I'm not gonna lie.
See, like I like looking shit up on Google because it feels like stuff like this is actually educational, but also like ChatGPT will tell me exactly what I need to know. Like
Right.
it knows what I'm talking about and how to explain it.
Yeah, it's kind of insane.
It's
Crazy good
new
tool.
Google, better Google. So, in my game, when I go down a ramp, it is super shit because This often happens when your movement logic doesn't account for slopes or when the rigid body's interaction with the collider is not smooth. Ensure the ramp's collider has a physics material with no friction. Okay. Ooh, that would... Wait. If it has no friction, doesn't it... Wouldn't I just slide down the ramp. What the fuck? This is wrong. Let's look at what else it says. Mm. 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 Conrad.
Yep.
I have noticed another thing.
Yeah, let me see.
It's not like something you need to watch, but when I go left and right, it's not like it's smooth. Like it has,
Smoothing.
yeah. Like it's kind of
It's not
like
instant.
delayed. Yeah, it's like I don't know. It feels kind of weird.
Just a little clunky. I actually added that. That should be pretty easily changeable. There should be a camera smoothing time if you click on the player
Let's see what that looks like.
in the top left,
Player.
and then turn smooth time or
Turn smooth
direction
time. Oh yeah,
smooth.
yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know which one it
It's
is.
probably
Direction
I think
smooth.
it's the turn smooth. Probably makes more.
Hit A and D.
Oh.
That might be the. Yeah.
Okay. We're going backwards now, boy. Forward. Yeah. Good. 0.2.
So then probably direction smooth. See, if not, that might be something on the Cine machine. That looks better. You can change it like while you're running it and just see. Put it on 0.5, see what happens.
This is much faster, by the way. Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Put it on 0.5, see what happens. You can do it while it's like changing. While you're running the game.
It doesn't save, it says.
Yeah. That's the wrong one. Wrong one.
Ooh.
I'm at the direction to it, yeah. Try and wiggle the camera around.
Yeah, this is definitely like a lot. Hang on.
Like
It's
here.
so weird.
Put it on like 2.
Yeah, like if I
Dude,
put it at like
yeah.
5, like what is the unit?
I have no clue. Actually, I don't think it's changing the camera.
Oh.
Wait, what?
I know what it's doing. It's a unit of how long it takes before you start moving in the direction that you're facing. Like if I hold A,
Uh,
if I'm looking to the right and I hold
yeah,
A, it waits a certain amount of time to go left because you're not facing there yet.
that makes
I
sense.
think it's so weird though.
So I guess I don't have one. Maybe
Well, it
check
might
on the
just be
main
it might
camera.
just be camera. Yeah, like let's see.
Yeah.
In the, in the whip like a
There's a
oh
sub object
default
of the
blend
camera.
ease in out. Wait, what is that? I'm so
I have
stupid.
no
I
clue.
don't know. I don't know what any of this means,
There's
dude.
a drop down in the camera. That might be it as well in the left in the hierarchy. Excel decel time.
Oh, where is that?
That's in the Y and X axis.
If I if I accurately caught the fact that it was 0.1 seconds of delay, that would be a yes, bro. That would be
But
an
you only did the
esports
Y axis.
miracle, bro. This is crazy. How did
Did you
I?
do the X axis as well? The
Uh,
X axis still has
oh yeah,
delay.
x-axis has it, but up and down is different. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hang on.
Is it better? Well, here, test it first.
I'm switching X.
Yeah. And then put it on like 5 and 5, or like 2 and 2, and see what that does.
Okay, if I'm holding forward, it is a bit chunky for some reason. It might just be because I don't have.
Well, that's also why I want to try and get animations in so we can see what it looks like.
Yeah. It's really weird. It's like chunky for some reason. It's like it's being.
Maybe we just get a free animated character model
Yeah, and then just
Unity
and then
so we
use
can test
that,
that
and
like
then
that.
while you're, yeah. Okay, well that's weird. I'm down to keep it like that for now, for my end, but I will not push.
Can you test actually? I'm just curious. Put it at like 2 and 2. I just want to see what happens. If it's like making a difference at all.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't really tell, but oh yeah. Never
Like
mind.
I'm not moving my cursor.
Yeah, you did catch it. The 0.1. That's fucking crazy.
It does look real. Honestly, I think I would keep it at like 0.05 because
Oh, help for
it does
sure.
actually help. Yeah, it does really, because without it, it does look kind of whack.
Yeah, I saw what you mean.
I don't know. I'll keep it like this for now. If I end up liking it,
Makes
whatever.
sense.
Um,
Yep.
Watching me and don't. Look at this. I commented that earlier.
Fuck knows. Yeah, I saw that.
No.
Free. Oh, it's armor.
uh,
Human base meshes. Stylized character female.
I still don't know what this means.
Is it animated? Is this rigged? This is the next Valorant agent. Tons of animations. Reminds me of Valorant in the best way possible. Okay.
Dash and run.
I'm gonna here. Thoughts on this one
Let's see.
for our base for now? Should I do some?
Story, Unity. Damn, she bad. I have to accept the Unity's editor software terms and conditions first. 1 second.
Of course, in the Unity asset store.
Yeah. Before I've even looked at anything, I have to accept it.
There might be some softcore porn in here. We'll find out.
Yes.
Either that or I was thinking this one too. This one honestly might fit the proportions of our character a little better. It's fucking stupid.
This content is hosted by a third party and I can't access it because I haven't put in my cookies, bro. Fuck this.
That's funny. What are your thoughts on this guy?
I fuck with both of them, honestly. We can bring in either of them. Needs to
We can bring it both.
add to my assets right now.
All right, you wanna figure out how to get that imported,
I will
and
try.
I can do that if you want to push what you have
I
right
think I
now.
do know how to do this. I think it should just
Okay.
instantly update.
Yeah, yeah, but I meant set the animations up too.
Oh yeah, that's all you.
Okay, okay. I will do that then. I don't know if this dude has walking animations. I would assume he does,
Dance
right?
with the nighttime. In the picket like a stir fry. In the picket like a stir fry.
All right, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. I'll be back.
In the kitchen, we've been sticking like a. In the kitchen, we're sticking like a stir fry. Watching me talk. All right. Let's use this soldier. Soldier boy. I don't need that many animations, bro. What if I made... I need Blender. Wait, I have Blender. How do I...
Hey, I UV islands to get as much only on the parts where the shirt polygons are. We can bake textures by animation. Okay, that was all the work for the character in Blender. You now have a fully rigged and textured 3D model to use in your game. So, let's set it up, shall we? Rig and everything in it, and export it as an FBX. The materials into a folder. Next, import all the images you created and start setting up the materials. But, as you can see, there is no way to place a roughness map anywhere. If you're using the standard renderer, you will have to make it as an alpha texture of your color map. You can do this in the image editor of your choice. I use Affinity Photo. Invert the roughness texture so it will become its inverse, also known as a smoothness texture, and go of with all the work for the character in Blender. You now have a fully rigged and textured 3D model to use in your game. So, let's set it up, shall we? Select the rig and everything in it, and export it as an FBX. Open up a new Unity project and put it in there. Go
Okay, so if I bring this to Unity, what did I put everything in...
as an FBX.
Literally within 5 seconds.
And put it in there.
Character.fbx. Okay, I need the model. Where is the model? Okay, model. Put this into... He said assets? Assets, 3D...
Go to the materials panel and
What did he put? 3D model? Bro. Fastest tutorial. Oh, 3D models. Okay, sick. So I need models, 3D models, game object. Mm-hmm. Need to move, brother. Put him next to the guy. See how closely they resemble each other. Oh, I can do this. Sick. Yeah, no, that's sick. How do I just make them bigger in general? Alright, there we go. Okay. How to exit? Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Bro. Get me out. How do I get out of this? I've been trapped. Bro. How do I leave? Why would I want to be in this? Why? Exit. Bless. Jesus Christ. Okay. I need to get up. Dude. I need a mouse. I desperately need a mouse, bro. Default prefab Marimba prefab. Okay. What does this mean? Okay. I want to make first. The fuck does cone? Susan? Oh. Okay, never mind. Ground check. Like, what? Why is ground object? Ground check game object. Okay. Rembo has root soldier. What is root? Root.x. What's the point of having a fucking directory in a directory? In a directory. In a directory. In a directory. In a directory. What the heck is this? This is unreasonable. Let's put that back. What is capsule mesh filter? Add component. no idea what I'm doing at all.
Extract the materials into a folder. Next, import all the images you created and start setting up the materials. But, as you can see, there is no way to place a roughness map anywhere. If you're using the standard renderer, you will have to make it as an alpha texture of your color map. You can do this in the image.
This is not my problem. I will put this on Conrad to figure out. Not my problem. But what is my problem is I want to at least make this a UI thing. Jeez, bruh. Close the door. Holy shit, grade A under A just posted. Oh my god. When was the last guy? How the hell? When was the last time this guy posted? Oh, 2 weeks ago. Oh, never mind. He's been posting.
Would make Usain Bolt look like a failure. And Donald says that he wants to bring an end to this wasteful spending. Not gonna lie, right? That's hard to criticize.
That's fucking sick. Okay, fuck all of this. I hate this. I hate this. Close Unity store, please. Get away from me. Right click on the hierarchy window and select UI canvas. All right. Was? UI canvas. UI element. Stop going. That. Inside the canvas, right click and shows you UI image. Image. Okay. Now what shall I do, Mr. GPT? Rename the image to something meaningful, like ground status indicator. Genius. Ground status UI indicator. Adjust the image rect transform. Resize and position the image to make it look like a small rectangle or square. For example, okay, so I'm going to make it, where is this? The width and height, let's say 50, oh, 50, okay. And how do I, like, see this? I want it to be in the top right, which would be using the rect transform anchors. I'd say top right. Color. Okay, I'll let him do it. Fine, fine, fine. I would like it to be green, please. Thank you. Let's go back. So I have a reference to my Boolean value, drag the image from the canvas here in the inspector. Public image ground status. I'm referencing that. Colors to indicate ground status. All right. This is a terrible, I hate this. This is disgusting. We don't need to put it all into one fucking line. But I will make a new script, C# script called, what did it say I should call it? Doesn't matter, but ground status UI. Oh, yeah. And also, just because I'm going to delete this because I don't need it at all. 3D models, materials, scenes, short. That's all I need. All right. Cinebench ground status. Here we go. Where is my VS Code? Ground status is called before the first frame update. Don't need this. And I will pop into this little line. So I do actually need something up here. I need public bool is ground. What is bro? Fuck. I cannot stand. Why would I want that there? Public bool is grounded. Public. I need if it's grounded, and I need image. Fuck. What? Just find me the fucking image that I would obviously want. Why does it do this? Image ground status indicator. Ground status indicate. And then public color equals color dot. Oh wait. Red equals color dot red. No, bro. What, like? Stop autofilling it, bro. Like, seriously, I hate it. I hate it. I'm actually gonna get rid of it. Where do I get rid of this shit, bro? I cannot stand it. Alright, there. Whatever, I can't even remember what it is. Public color red equals color. Public color on ground. Oh. On ground color. Finally, it's actually useful. I don't need that. Okay, so if is grounded equals true. What is it trying to? If it's not null. I Can you explain why? Why check? Yeah. If ground status indicator is not properly assigned or somehow removed, attempting to access its properties will throw a null reference exception. So you're avoiding an error just for it to not crash, but like, why do that? Don't you want the error so that you can make an exception? Using the ternary operator. Like, yeah, what? Can you just write it like a normal person? Yeah, like this is so much better. It's so much more readable. If is on ground. But okay. If this should be a lowercase g. If ground status indicator, if ground status indicator is not equal to null, then what the fuck? Bang. Okay. If is grounded, then ground, yeah. And then just, oh my god, I hate Vim. Like, people say, oh, it's great, it's fucking, you're an idiot if you don't use it. It's the worst thing. Okay. If ground status indicator is not equal to null, then if it's grounded, make it the on-ground color, and if it's not grounded, make it the off-ground color. Great. Save. Actually, I'm in right. There you go. All right, so how do I connect this? Like, it should be... I'm so confused because so I got it. It works. Top right, little red dot. Oh, I'm jumping. And it works. So, yeah. I had to leave the room because there was a group of people that just walked in. So I had to go find a different spot. But it does work. And it is successful. So thank you for watching. And I will see y'all tomorrow.